Hi, my name's Struan. Welcome to another drone video on flying Wiener. It's been a little while. It's been roughly half a year since I've been able to fly the drone. Weather conditions and scheduling, timing, etc. were finally right. We are here in Upper Austria. Behind me you can see Schloss Klaus, or Palace Klaus I suppose you can call it, or Castle Klaus. It's been around since about the 11th century, and nowadays it is used mainly by Protestant religious groups who use them for various seminars and biblical teaching seminars and classes and all sorts of things. So if you have a group thing that you want to organise, they do, I believe, offer their facilities for group seminars and such. I'm sure it's a wonderful place. They've got, I believe, over 150 beds, so you can have a real big group there. Unfortunately, the sun is gone today, so I hope we can still manage to capture the castle in a beautiful light. I hope you enjoy. Right, now I know this is a bit of a short and sweet video, first time back, and it's a bit short, but I'll be honest, it's a bit difficult flying there with the surrounding mountains, etc. And I do believe that I thought no one would be there right now, but it does seem that people are inside the castle, so I want to keep my distance. I don't fly close up and I zoom in with the lens. I did that here, so I was keeping my distance. That's why there wasn't too much to see, but you did also see, I hope, the lovely church that is nearby. So if you are here, if you're visiting, you should check that out as well. Two very lovely buildings. Also like the dam here with the water, it's got a lovely colour as well. I hope you enjoyed that. As you see, we have not given up on the drone. I never did want to. I still enjoy it far too much. So here's hoping that as we are entering spring, that I'll have more time in my schedule to go back out and fly again. Please like, share and subscribe. It is the best way to support this channel and everything we do. I'll thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one on Flying Wiener. Take care. Bye.